Hello students, in this video we will discuss female cone. Pinus, female cone. Okay. So female cone we have discussed they are large woody structure, and we have also seen the diagram. And what is a female cone? Their reproductive structure. In this female cone eggs are found, egg पाए जाते हैं. ठीक है. So they are larger than male cones. Larger than male cones, and they grow in axial of scaly leaves. We have discussed in long shoot brown color scaly leaves are formed, and in that female cone are grow in axial of scaly leaves, which we have discussed कहाँ found होते हैं. And it grows singly, like male cone grow in cluster. Female cone grow singly. Okay, now say take a female cone, and if we see the longitudinal section, अगर हम लोग longitudinal section देखें तो what we will see, now this again two ovuliferous and bract, this explains structure. So this is central axis, same with here will also form. This is central axis, and it is megasporophyll. Megasporophyll में eggs are found. Okay. Now next, if we see अब यहीं पे पाया जाता है structure, कह दो here. Okay, ovule, and here egg. If we see the magnified form of megasporophyll, magnified form of megasporophyll, what we will see? We will see okay. So this is ovuliferous. This is ovuliferous, which is large woody structure, and this is bract scale. This is smaller one is bract scale. And here inside there are depression, okay, which consist of two ovules. And what is the function of this bract scale? Here pollen grain is stay. ये जो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे क्या होता है? For staying of pollen grains. Why? Pollen grains are very light. Since pollen grains is लाइट। तो यहाँ पे ब्रैग स्केल का फंक्शन क्या हुआ, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन फॉर, इट हेल्प्स इन स्टेइंग ऑफ द pollen grains. Okay, now if we see the structure, so we will see थोड़ा मिस्टेक हो गया। इस यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है, जस्ट रब इट दिस। And here inside is ovule, which is orthotopous in nature. Okay, here inside is ovule, and it containing egg, ठीक है, it is, remember, orthotropous ovule will be formed, and it is unitegmic, very important point, like in angiosperm ovules are bitegmic. Okay, in this case it is unitegmic, one layer, and bitegmic means two layer. It is an important property, unitegmic. Okay, on an ovule, inside ovule there is egg, inside ovule there is egg. Okay, यहाँ पे अंदर एग है। Now what happens when the fertilization will take place? So what happened during fertilization? Suppose male and female, they both combine, ये दोनों combine हुए, तो what will it form? It will form zygote. Okay, it will form zygote, and it will develop into embryo. And ovule will form seed. Ovule will form seed. ठीक है, जाइगोट क्या बन जाएगा, एम्ब्रियो बन जाएगा, और ओव्यूल किस पे कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, ओव्यूल विल फॉर्म सीड, इम्पॉर्टेंट, ओव्यूल विल फॉर्म सीड. Okay, and seed has many cotyledons. Seed has many cotyledons. Okay, so this is all about, it is megasporophyll. Inside there is ovule, orthotropous, which is unitegmic. Okay, orthotropous ovule, funiculars, hyalium, micropyle, they all found in straight line. I will explain, give definition. And it is ovule, inside ovule there is egg. Okay, this is, there is egg, and fertilization, what is zygote will, zygote will develop into embryo, and embryo and ovule will form seed, and seed has many cotyledons. And one important dominant stage is sporophyte. So this is all about the female cone.